welcome to Katerina Finds. I received such a Christmas tree for review. It comes in a great package. It's 4 feet tall. Let's open it up and set it up. This Christmas tree is a smaller Christmas tree. It would fit on the table, maybe somewhere in the kids' room, on the patio, on the balcony, in the office. Depends on the space where you can fit a smaller Christmas tree. You can come up with so many different decorative ideas.
It's very easy to set up and store it away. It includes a foldable stand for quick assembly and compact storage box. This Christmas tree has 250 branches. It took me only a few minutes to open them all up. It features natural pine-like appearance. Its sturdy construction holds garland and personalized ornaments beautifully, making it perfect for Christmas tree decoration, indoor or outdoor, or festive office decorations. This Christmas tree would be very easy to deassemble and store it in the same box it came for the next season.
This is such a beautiful Christmas tree. It would be perfect project to put it together with your kids. So many branches to open, but it took me really maybe 5-7 minutes. I didn't decorate it yet as it's a little bit too early for Christmas. I love the quality and fluffiness of it. It comes with the star that you don't have to attach, but you can. It's so beautiful and it looks like jewelry a little bit, but doesn't have any stones. It's perfect Christmas time decoration, especially if you need something on a desktop, something maybe nicely in the corner, in the office, in kids' bedroom, in so many different ways. It's not pre-lit, but it's beautiful. You can always decorate it with some decorations that would look so beautiful. The star is golden, so you can kind of mix and match. Also, this Christmas tree can be outdoor decoration, not only indoor. Would be perfect with multi-tree decoration ideas. Would be perfect on a porch, on a balcony, maybe by the window, school or office. I love personally this Christmas tree because it doesn't take much space to store it away. It's beautiful and super easy to unfold, and it will bring such a festive mood to the holidays. And I can install it on my balcony and maybe even pre-lit it a little bit with some of my solar lights. It would be so perfect and safe to use. Love it, and I do recommend it.